I wanted to cover at least one example where we used some pointers and saw how those look on the stack, because pointers are definitely one of the harder things to wrap your head around when you're first learning the C language. So in this example, we have long A, which will be initialized to all A's, integer B, which will be initialized to all B's, and then we have a long pointer, A pointer, which gets the address of A stored into this pointer local variable. And we have an integer pointer, B pointer, which gets the address of B stored into this local variable. And then we do some pointer arithmetic for no reason in particular. When we compile this, then we're going to get this code right here, and there are no new assembly instructions, which means you know everything you need to know to go understand this code. So, time for you to compile up this pointer local variable O0 no cookie and initialize your stack and fill in exactly what goes where. Where is A? Where is B? Where is A pointer? Where is B pointer? And to do that, you know what to do. Go to the code and step through the assembly.